Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights on a Toyota Tundra Easy Guide. First, park the truck straight on level ground facing a flat wall about 25 feet away. Turn on low beams and mark the light centers on the wall with tape at the measured height. Confirm both headlights are at equal height and note any major discrepancies before making adjustments. You only need a few simple tools to properly aim headlights, and the process is straightforward. Gather a Phillips screwdriver or the factory adjustment tool, tape measure, masking tape, and a friend to help when needed. Refer to the owner manual to locate adjusters and protect painted surfaces with cloth. Working methodically prevents glare for other drivers and ensures good night visibility without overdriving or underlighting the road. If you're enjoying this step-by-step guide, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more practical truck tips. Quick recommendation: the leak-proof meal prep containers I use make long shop days easier and keep lunches tidy between adjustments. I've linked them and other deals in the description so you can check them out. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Begin by adjusting the vertical aim, turning the screw until the top of the beam aligns with the lower tape line on the wall. Next, tweak the horizontal adjuster to center the hot spot on your center mark without crossing into oncoming lanes. After both adjustments, take the truck for a short night drive to verify road coverage and that the lights do not blind others, fine-tuning if necessary for optimal visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.